Your SOS Talisman medical bracelet or necklace can instantly tell your paramedic exactly what to treat you for, even if you're unconscious. In a medical emergency, your medic simply unscrews the capsule in an anti-clockwise direction, as indicated by the arrows on the top, to reveal all your most vital medical details, such as your allergies, medication you may be on, emergency numbers to call, and so on. The Swiss precision-engineered capsule is both heatproof and watertight, and the special waterproof information strip safely hidden inside is 12 inches or 30 centimeters long, and you can store your vital medical information on both sides. As all the information is handwritten, you can put any information you wish in any order on the information strip, whatever is most important to you. Unlike other systems, there are absolutely no monthly or annual fees to pay with SOS Talisman, and of course we don't store any of your private medical details. There's also no engraving required, and if your medical or personal details change, your medication, or even your address, you can simply fill in another very inexpensive information strip and pop it into your SOS Talisman in minutes. You'll never need to rely on a telephone or internet connection with this system, as all your most important medical details are literally carried with you at all times. If you're unconscious or unable to communicate, you'll be glad you wore your SOS Talisman.